Mo disassembly explanation video.
Step 1. Pull out the tube connected to the forming station. Step 2. Remove the upper mold for blister forming by rotating the hand lever. Step 3. Remove the base mold for blister forming by rotating the hand lever. Step 4. Remove the upper mold for heat seal by rotating the hand lever. Step 5. Remove the mold for heat seal by rotating the hand lever. Step 6. Remove the upper mold for batch number printing by loosening the two screws. Step 7. Remove the base mold for batch number printing by rotating the hand lever. Step 8. Unscrew the 4 acorn nuts and take out the washers. Step 9. Loosen the two 10 mm screws. Step 10. Remove the cover of the punching device. Step 11. Remove the upper mold for punching. Step 12. Loosen the 4 8 mm screws. Step 13. Remove the base mold for punching. Step 14. Loosen the two screws on the back of the first guide rail. Step 15. Remove the first guide rail according to the direction of the arrow. Step 16. Loosen the two screws on the back of the second guide rail. Step 17. Remove the second guide rail according to the direction of the arrow. Step 18. Loosen the two screws on the back of the third guide rail. Step 17. Remove the third guide rail according to the direction of the arrow.
Mold assembly explanation video.
Base mold for blister forming. Step 1. Install the base mold according to the direction of the arrow and then rotate firm the hand lever. Upper mold for blister forming. Step 2. Install the upper mold according to the direction of the arrow and then rotate firm the hand lever. Base mold for heat seal. Step 3. Install the base mold according to the direction of the arrow and then rotate firm the hand lever. Upper mold for heat seal. Step 4. Install the upper mold according to the direction of the arrow and then rotate firm the hand lever. Base mold for batch number printing. Step 5. Install the base mold according to the direction of the arrow and then rotate firm the hand lever. Upper mold for batch number printing. Step 6. Install the upper mold according to the direction of the arrow and then fasten the screws. Punch and mold. Step 7. Insert the base mold for punch into the rods through its holes. Step 8. Place the 4 8 mm screws up to the holes opening and drive them in. Step 9. Insert the two supports of the upper mold for punching into the holes. Step 10. Check whether the characters on the right sides of the upper and base molds are aligned. Step 11. Lift the upper mold and let it drop for several times to ensure its close contact with the base mold. Step 12. Put the cover. Step 13. Place the washers and 4 acorn nuts on the stud and screw the nuts. Step 14. Jog the machine to make the mold close to the cover. Step 15. Place the 2 10 mm screws up to the holes openings and drive them in. Guide rail. Step 16. Align the slots on the back of the first rail with the screw holes and fasten the screws. Step 17. Align the slots on the back of the second rail with the screw holes and fasten the screws. Step 18. Align the slots on the back of the third rail with the screw holes and fasten the screws. Step 19. Insert the tube. Step 20. Place PVC materials on the uncoiler and fix them. Step 21. Pull PVC along the rollers. Step 22. Pull PVC from the heat seal station, the batch number printing station, the gripping traction station to the punching station. Step 23. Adjust the left and right locating rings for PVC. Step 24. Coil the waste edge into the waste collector. Step 25. Install the fixing plate. Step 26. Place aluminum foil on the uncoiler and fixing it. Pull it to the heat seal station along the rollers.
Mode FAQ explanation video.
Question 1. After the heel seal process, the lidding of the sealed packs is concave rather than flat. Solution. Move the forming station by rotating the hand wheel. Question 2. The punch sheet is not centered between the right and left margins. Solution. Move the guide rail to center the sheet. Question 3. The punch sheet is not centered between the top and bottom margins. Solution. Move the punching station by rotating the hand wheel. Question 4. The printed batch number is deviated. Solution. Move the batch number printing station by rotating the hand wheel.